Hello friends, welcome to learn VB.net. Today we are going to learn string. It is also known as character array, but here string is not a character array. String is a single string, or it is a object of string class. Okay, let us create string. Suppose string is simple s1 as string. Okay, you can directly store here any value. For example, computer. Okay, let us print this string. Okay, but here string is inbuilt class. That's why it has number of inbuilt methods. If you use S1 and just press dot operator, you will find all the methods. Okay, now create, let us use some methods. Suppose here we want to print total length of given string. We simply use here S1 dot length. It will return total length of given string. Here we have number of functions contains, that is it is used for searching end with. If you want to find any string end with specific number of characters, for example, if you want to find the string end with ter like this, then there is a function of insert. You can also insert in between any string by using starting and ending location, start and end location. Okay, you can also see index of given character, index of last index of given string. By using remove, you can trim some characters from string. Okay, replace, split is your string is divided into number of strings. Start with, if you want to find any string start with alphabet, any alphabet, then you can use start with letter. But for start with letter or for end with, you must have a string array. Okay, here is we have only single string. You can also extract substring by giving location. Okay, if you want to change this simple string to a character array, that is s of 0, s1 of 0, s1 of 1. If you want to print single character from given location, then you can convert this string to a character array, converting case lowercase uppercase. Okay, and trim function is used to trim or to remove leading and tailoring spaces only. Okay, now let us use some functions. Simple use here, first use here console dot write line. Let us use function uppercase. Mhm. Here this function return converted string, therefore your string is in original format, that is computer C, only C is capital, other letters are small. Okay, let us see the output. Okay, string is equal to computer. Here we have length variable, it return integer value, therefore instead of plus use here and. It is okay now. Total computers total length is 8, and this is converted string. Okay, it will also, if you want to again see the length of string, it will also count the spaces. Then how to check whether spaces are count or not? You can use here trim function, because trim function remove the spaces, but trim function will only leading and trailing spaces. Suppose here, now the string length of string is 28. Suppose I add here two spaces, here also two spaces, then what happened, let us see. Okay, the length is 32 because these two and these two spaces is added to a length. Okay, but if we want to check a trim function, let us check it here. Okay, we want to check string after trim. Then let us create like this s1 dot, use here trim function and check the length of this whole string by using again dot length. Okay, I think it is valid now. Okay, because it removed four spaces, leading and tailoring spaces. Okay, now here you can also convert this string to lowercase. If you want to trim this, if you want to split this string, then you have to create one string array. Let us create one more string. Suppose the string is s2, and you have to separate these words by using semicolon or any irregular expression character. Okay, now first create a string array, string object array. Suppose here we create array of, here we have 0 1 2 3 4 string, that is array of 4, that is 0 to 4, 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, now let us split this s2. S is equal to s2 dot split in bracket, you here regular expressions as a single character. Okay, and now you can print here of 0 is equal to plus s of 0 plus s of 1 is equal to plus s of 1, because we have 0 to 4 string. Then there is s of 2, 3, and one more 4. Okay, let us see the output. S of 0 is computer, s of 1 is string. Let us create some space. Okay, s of 0 is computer, s of 1 is learning, s of 2 is each, s of 3 is so, and s of 4 is nice. Like this, you can split this single string to a two-dimensional integer. Sorry, now you can split a single string to a multiple strings by using split function or any regular expression. You can also convert this string to a character array. Okay, then let us declare here character array. Length of character arrays is same as a string length. S1 of length has character. Okay, then simply you can use here ch is equal to s1 dot to character array. Okay, now you can see the one by one character. Before that, let us remove some character from this string. Okay, now for, you can use here for. Before that, declare I for I equal to 0 to ch dot length. Okay, and now print here ch of I. Okay, before that give here one message, character array -1. Okay, COMPUTER, characters are separated. Okay, let us print it in reverse order. -1, I equal to 2, 0, step is -1. Okay, here is the array in reverse order. You can also modify this program and check whether the string is palindrome or not by using reverse of string. Now let us use function of end with start with. I have here some code. Here we declare string of 2. Okay, the first value of string is Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, and now let us go from 0 till the last string of array. Okay, and check here if the end with AI, then only it will print the string with AI. Let us see end with AI, Mumbai and Chennai. If you use here I, then it will print all the three strings. Okay, like this you can also check start with. Okay, let us see some more functions. You can also use two lowercase function, replace function. Suppose S1 replace with old character. Our string is computer. Okay. Okay. Let us take a string S2. S2 replace with, suppose, nice string with easy. Okay. You can directly print this string within the function console.writeLine function. Okay, let us see the output. Okay, instead of nice there is easy. Okay, like this you can use all string inbuilt function. You can also easily handle string, array, string, single dimensional array. Okay, it is too easy to learn because all functions are inbuilt functions available in .NET. Okay, thank you.